What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a couple new products that I want to play around with. Starting off with CoverGirl. I picked up the Skin Enhancer blush and bronzer. I'm so excited to try these out. I also picked up the e.l.f. highlighter. I'm so excited for this. This is supposed to be like a rare beauty dupe, so we'll see when we try that out. And also I got the e.l.f. Soft Glam concealer. I love the Soft Glam foundation. That's what I'm going to be using today, so I'm going to pair them together and see how they work. So I'm actually just going to use my Jaclyn Hill concealer, prime the eyelids today. I got the eyelids primed and I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette. I love this palette. This is the Going Platinum palette and it is so worth it. I do use this palette quite often. So I'm going to start off with this shade here and maybe a little bit of that pink shade. I'm going to mix the two together for the transition area, just putting that in the crease and working it up to the brow. So how was everybody's Christmas and New Year's? Mine was really good. Unfortunately, my husband got sick the week before Christmas and then I was sick the week of Christmas. But I am starting to finally feel better. Unfortunately, he's getting sick all over again. So I'm just hoping and praying that I don't get it back. I don't want it back. I literally just laid on the couch all day Christmas Eve. Christmas Day I did feel much better, but I don't want to be sick anymore. Thank you. Then I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to keep it super simple and just put that shade all over the lid. I love this shade. This shade is called Moneymaker and it has the prettiest glitter to it. I love this color. We are going to be going out to dinner in a little bit, so I want to wear something sparkly. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean up with a makeup wipe. Go ahead and add a little bit of black eyeliner on the waterline. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes with my lash curler. And then I'm going to use the L'Oreal Extensionist Mascara. I really do love this mascara. It really separates and lengthens your lashes. Also, when you curl your lashes, it doesn't take the curl away. Yeah, I just love that mascara. I just think it does such a great job on the lashes. Okay, let's go in and do a little skin prep. I'm starting off with the Rock Vitamin C Eye Balm. I do like to just spread it around with the finger a little. Now I'm just going to use the L'Oreal serum that I have. This is the collagen. I love this. Now I'm just going to go in with the L'Oreal Collagen Moisturizer. I really love this moisturizer. I think it does a really great job at plumping your skin and kind of helping the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles. And both of these products just work very well underneath of makeup as well. Now I'm just going to let that soak in for about 5 minutes or so. Okay, skincare soaked in. I'm going to go in with a primer. This is the Maybelline Grippy Serum Primer. I really love this primer. I think it's one of the best. It really does make your makeup grip and last all day. And it is very, very hydrating. If you ever have a problem with makeup sticking to your nose, this is a great primer. I do like to just let it dry down a little so it gets nice and tacky. Now I'm just going to go in with the e.l.f. Soft Glam Foundation. This is really one of my favorite foundations from the drugstore. This one's in the shade 21 Light Neutral. For cream bronzer today, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I love their contour sticks. I think they work so well. Very blendable. And this is like a true contour shade. Instead of a bronzer, it actually has that shadow look instead of the warmth. Gives you that nice cool tone. And it just works perfectly for chiseling out. For cream blush, I'm going in with e.l.f. This one is in the shade Dusty Rose. These are very pretty, very pigmented. They still blend out so nicely. Now let's go in with the Soft Glam Concealer. I'm super excited. I feel like this is a smaller doe foot than the Camo Concealer, which is nice. This one I got in the shade Light 21 Neutral as well, and I feel like this one is maybe a little more yellow than the foundation itself. So just for comparison, this right here is foundation and this right here is the concealer. So the shades are not an exact match, even though they both are shade 21 Light Neutral. So just keep that in mind when you're ordering. I'm just gonna blend this out and see how it blends. So far it's blending out so nicely. See how it blends out under the eye. What kind of coverage are we getting? So far that is looking beautiful. It's keeping the under eye very hydrated. Just blend all the way down. I mean, so far that looks so beautiful. I'm loving that. And for $5, that is a great price. I'm gonna go in and set with the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass powder. This is in the shade Translucent, and it is a beautiful powder. It just sets everything so seamless. And I'm really just gonna press it in. Okay, so this side I have set and this side I don't. I'm loving it. I think it looks so good. I'm gonna tap this side out a little bit and then go in and set. I mean, really just so airbrush looking. I love that. Okay, so let's go in with the CoverGirl Skin Enhancer. I'm super excited to try this. This one I got in the shade 310 Toasted Butterscotch. That feels so nice. I absolutely love the marble detailing on here. It is so pretty. Okay, it does look like it's going to be like a light pigment, which is nice. Sometimes it's better to have something that, ooh, or did I speak too soon? That has a little bit of a lighter pigment to it. But I don't know, that looks absolutely stunning. I'm loving this. It looks gorgeous. This is like the perfect color for me. I love this. It looks so beautiful, so airbrushed on the skin. The color is perfect. I love this color. I think it looks gorgeous. I'm excited to try out the blush now. This one I got in the shade Rose Latte. Look at how stunning that one is. That just looks like the perfect like everyday color. And again, it's not showing much on my hand, but let's see what it looks like on the cheek. That is beautiful. And look at that sheen it's giving. It's giving such a pretty, like, healthy glow. If you didn't want to add highlighter, you don't have to with this because it does give you that little bit of just glow from within. I mean, I love that. That's like a perfect everyday color. Again, this one is in shade Rose Latte. And that's just beautiful. But of course, we all know I'm gonna add some extra highlighter because I love highlighter. Okay, so this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Silky Powder Highlighter in shade Soft Pearl Air. If you know, I love the Fenty highlighter that they came out with, but it was a limited edition, so they're not making any more. Look at how pretty that color is. I love that. It's not a white, but it's not a champagne or a gold. They feel so good, and it is going to give you just that little bit of glow from within. I can pick it up. I can see it in person. I don't know why the camera isn't picking that up. There we go. Is that a little better? But yeah, okay. Let's try it. I'm just going to use my blush brush and add it directly over top. Absolutely. That looks gorgeous. Your skin just looks wet. That's beautiful. That is definitely like the Rare Beauty highlighters for sure. See what it looks like on the nose. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And you can build these up to get your desired intensity. So I love that. That's stunning. Love that. Okay, so I am gonna have to get the gold one because they do have like a gold in this, and I bet you that is gorgeous as well. Okay, so let's go in and finish up the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and use the highlighter. I'm gonna use that on the inner corner. Yes, I love that. That's so pretty. It gives you just enough. It's not too much. I love this. Gorgeous. I love it. I'm also just going to pick up a little bit of this shade and run that on the lower lash line. A little mascara on the bottom lashes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of the e.l.f. Wow Brow. Makeup is looking so good today. I'm loving every single one of these products. Gorgeous. Okay, let's do a lip combo for today. I'm going in with Makeup by Mario. This one is in the shade Smoky Pink for the lip liner. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Erin. Such a pretty color. These lipsticks feel so good on the lips. But of course, I'm going to take a little bit of my e.l.f. lip liner. This is the dark brown one. I believe it's called like dark cocoa. I need a little definition. Just looks so much better. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite setting spray. This is the Hard Candy Glow on Lock. You do have to shake it up. Love this setting spray because it just gives you a glow from within look. And I just love it so much. I'm going to let this one completely dry. Okay, so now that that one is dry, we're going in with Milani Make It Last because I love this setting spray. This has been a staple in my collection for years. This one really just locks your makeup in for the day. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed makeup look. I absolutely love it. I love every single one of these new products that I got. I think that they are so good. I definitely would recommend them. There hasn't been a ton of new makeup products that I've been excited about, but these ones I have been so excited to try out, and I'm so happy that I did get them because look at the skin. It just looks gorgeous. I love it. But as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out and having some girl time with me. I hope you guys had a great Christmas and a happy new year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.